Hello everyone. Now this is question number 9 of chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. In part 1 and 2 we have discussed first 8 questions. Now this is 9th question. Question number 9 is briefly mention the contribution of T.H. Morgan in genetics. T.H. Morgan की जेनेटिक्स की फील्ड में क्या कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस रही हैं वो हमें एक्सप्लेन करनी है. द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज मॉर्गन हैज़ वर्कड ऑन ड्रोसोफिला मेलानोगास्टर विच इज़ अ फ्रूट फ्लाई and he formulated the chromosomal theory of linkage. He defined linkage as coexistence of two or more genes in the same chromosome. सेम क्रोमोसोम में जीन्स अगर पास पास हों तो हम कहते हैं दैट जीन्स आर लिंक्ड. अगर उनमें डिस्टेंस कम हो, जीन मैपिंग में अगर हम चेक करते हैं कि क्रोमोसोम मैपिंग करते हैं, जीन्स की लोकेशन चेक करते हैं कि जीन्स अगर जीन्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस कम है तो वो जीन्स ज़्यादातर लिंक्ड होते हैं. दे विल ट्रेवल टुगेदर, दे विल गेट इनहेरिटेड टुगेदर. Therefore, the coexistence of two or more genes in the same chromosome and perform dihybrid cross in Drosophila to show that linked genes are inherited together, and these are located on the X chromosomes. His experiments have also proved that the tightly linked genes will show very low recombination. क्योंकि अगर जीन्स लिंक्ड हैं तो दे विल ट्रेवल टुगेदर, और अगर वो इकट्ठे ट्रैवल करेंगे तो नए कॉम्बिनेशन बनने के चांसेस बहुत कम हो जाएंगे. But if they are loosely linked, then higher will be the recombination. Now next question, question number 10. What is pedigree analysis? Suggest how such analysis can be useful. Answer: pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis is a record of occurrence of a trait in several generations of a family. Pedigree analysis में एक रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन किया जाता है फैमिली हिस्ट्री का. अगर जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर हैं फैमिली में किसी को भी, मे बी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में है या उनके आगे किसी भी जनरेशन में हैं, तो उस सब की बेटे एक फैमिली चार्ट बनाया जाता है. एंड इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्ट दैट सर्टन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स आर हेरिटेबल in a family. For example, eye color, skin color, hair form and facial characteristics. Along with these features, there are other genetic disorders such as Mendelian disorders which are inherited in a family generation after generation. Hence, by using pedigree analysis for the study of specific disorders generation after generation, it is possible to trace the pattern of inheritance. In this analysis, the inheritance of trait is represented as a tree which is known as family tree. Now, genetic counselors use this pedigree chart and analyze whether the disease in a family will travel, what is the probability of traveling of disease in a family from one generation to the next, and predict their inheritance patterns. And thus it is useful in genetic counseling. It useful in preventing the chances of hemophilia, sickle cell anemia and other genetic disorders in the future generation. Now question number 11. How is sex determined in human beings? Human beings show male heterogamity, means in males, two types of gametes will be formed, as the sex chromosomes found in male are XY. Therefore, two types of gametes will be formed, that is X and Y. Whereas female having sex chromosome XX, and it will produce same type of gamete containing X chromosome. If the X of male, or we can say sperm is a male gamete containing X chromosome, fuse with the ovum containing X chromosome, the resulting child will be a girl child. But if the sperm containing Y chromosome fuse with the ovum containing X chromosome, the resulting child will be a boy. And therefore there is equal probability of fertilizing sperm being X or Y chromosome. Thus it is the genetic makeup of the sperm which will determine what will be the sex of the baby. Sex of the baby is determined by the genetic makeup of the sperm. Now next question number 12. A child has blood group O. If the father has blood group A, mother blood group B, work out the genotype of parents and possible genotype of the other offspring. इस क्वेश्चन में स्टेटमेंट पहले समझते हैं. फादर का ब्लड ग्रुप ए है, मदर का ब्लड ग्रुप बी है और उनका एक बच्चा है जिसका ब्लड ग्रुप ओ है. आपको फादर के मदर के जीनोटाइप बताने हैं और ये बताना है कि चाइल्ड का ब्लड ग्रुप ओ कैसे पॉसिबल हो पाया. Now as you know, there are mainly 4 type of blood groups: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. 4 type of blood groups are there which are controlled by 3 alleles, that is IA, IB. हम कैपिटल I लिखेंगे, उसके ऊपर A लिखेंगे, ऐसे कैपिटल I ऊपर B और स्मॉल I अलग से. ये 3 अलील हैं जो कि ब्लड ग्रुप्स को कंट्रोल करते हैं. The allele IA and IB are equally dominant, whereas allele small I is recessive to other alleles. Means small I will express itself only in the presence of another small I, and if there are 2 small i's, it will be blood group O. For the individual having genotype IA or IA small I, the blood group will be A. Whereas for the individuals with genotype IB or IB small I have blood group B. The person having genotype IB have blood group AB, and for O the genotype will be small I. Hence, if the father has blood group A, mother has B, the possible genotype will be, in case of father it will be IA small I, in case of mother it will be IB small I. और जब इनके गैमीट्स बनेंगे और बेटे फादर के जो स्मॉल आई है दैट विल फ्यूज विद द मदर स्मॉल आई, देन द चाइल्ड विल हैव ब्लड ग्रुप O. Here it is shown with the help of a cross. A cross between the heterozygous parent will produce progeny with blood group AB and O. In first cross, father having genotype IA, mother having genotype IB. The gametes formed will be, in case of father it will be IA में कॉमा डाल देंगे या 2 गैमीट बनेंगे, each gamete containing capital I A. In case of mother 2 gametes will be formed, each carrying capital I B. और अगर ये gametes बेटे फ्यूज होते हैं, it will result in formation of blood group AB. अगर फादर और मदर का ब्लड ग्रुप होमोजाइगस कंडीशंस में होगा, देन इंडिविजुअल जो उनके बच्चे होंगे बेटे, जो उनके प्रोजेनी होगी, दैट विल हैव ब्लड ग्रुप AB. नाउ इन सेकेंड केस, the father and mother having blood group in heterozygous conditions, ऊपर जो condition थी that was homozygous condition, but the cross between the heterozygous parents means father having genotype IA small I, mother having genotype IB small I. For blood group A, the father having genotype capital IA small I. For blood group B, मदर का ब्लड ग्रुप बेटे बी है तो उसके लिए जीनोटाइप है IB स्मॉल I. The gametes formed in father will be capital IA and small I. The gametes formed in mother will be capital IB and small I. If IA of father will fuse with the IB of mother, the blood group will be AB. If small I of father will fuse with the small I of mother, the blood group will be O. If IA of father will fuse with the small I of mother, the blood group will be A. If small I of father fuse with the IB of mother, the blood group will be B. So 4 type of combinations can be formed if the father and mother having blood group A and B respectively have heterozygous genotype. Now next question, question number 13. Explain the following terms with examples, that is codominance and incomplete dominance. First, codominance. Codominance is the phenomenon in which both the alleles of a contrasting character are expressed in the heterozygous conditions. एक ऐसा फिनोमिनन जिसमें दोनों एलील्स अपने आप को एक दूसरे हेट्रोजाइगस कंडीशन में है बट दे आर एक्सप्रेसिंग इटसेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंटली एज इन ब्लड ग्रुप ABO टाइप. अगर बेटे एलील होंगे IA एंड IB, द ब्लड ग्रुप विल बी AB. और AB ब्लड ग्रुप में दोनों एलील्स दे आर एक्सप्रेसिंग देमसेल्फ कोडोमिनेटिंगली. नाउ B part of 13th question. B part of 13th question, that is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is the phenomenon in which one allele shows incomplete dominance over the other allelic member. For example, in a monohybrid cross between the plants having red flowers and white flowers, as in case of snapdragon, the resulting species in F1 generation will have pink flowers. The progeny obtained in F1 generation does not resemble either of the parent. क्योंकि पेरेंट्स में जो फ्लावर का कलर हमने चेक किया दैट वाज रेड एंड वाइट, पर जो F1 प्रोजेनी में कलर मिला दैट वाज पिंक. And this is because the dominant allele capital R is partially dominant over the allele small r, and therefore recessive allele R does not also get expressed in F1 generation, resulting in production of intermediate color, that is pink color. Here you can see in this cross, red flower having genotype capital R, white flowers having genotype small r. The gametes formed will be capital R and small r. In F1 generation, we will obtain the individuals having pink color of flowers, genotype capital R, small r. On self-pollination or on selfing, we will obtain F2 generation, in which we will get phenotypic ratio 1:2:1, 1 red flower, 2 pink flowers, 1 white flower. And genotypic ratio 1:2:1. Here बेटे 1 genotype will be capital R, यहाँ दोनों capital R आएंगे. Other 2 genotypes are in the form of capital R and small r, and 1 is in the small r. Now question number 14. What is point mutation? Give an example. Point mutation is a change in single base pair of DNA by substitution, deletion or insertion of a single nitrogenous base. An example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia. It involves mutation in single base pair in the beta globin chain of hemoglobin. Here, due to point mutation, the codon will change. The codon which will code for glutamic acid in the short arm of chromosome. Here it will be chromosome. ये थोड़ा गलत लिखा बेटे, इसे ठीक कर लीजिएगा. इट विल बी क्रोमोसोम. इट गेट रिप्लेस्ड विद वेलिन. जब पॉइंट म्यूटेशन हो जाएगी तो जो कोडोन ग्लूटामिक एसिड के लिए कोड कर रहा था GUG, दैट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू GAG, एंड दिस विल नाउ कोड फॉर वेलिन एट 6th पोजीशन ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन चेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु प्रपोज्ड द क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस? Answer. Sutton and Boveri proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance in 1902. Next question, mention any two autosomal genetic disorders with their symptoms. Autosomal genetic disorders are those disorders which affect the autosomes only. They are not linked with the sex chromosomes. हमने भी इस चैप्टर में 6 linked recessive disorders भी पढ़े हैं which are mainly linked to the X chromosomes. But here in the question autosomal genetic disorders आपसे पूछे गए हैं, तो 2 autosomal genetic disorders are sickle cell anemia and Down syndrome. Now what is sickle cell anemia? It is an autosomal linked recessive disorder which is caused by a point mutation in the beta globin chain of hemoglobin. This disease is characterized by the sickle shaped red blood cells. जो RBCs की biconcave shape है वो change हो जाएगी due to point mutation and these RBCs will now become sickle shaped. These will become mutant. Normally हम जो बेटे normal hemoglobin है उसको represent करते हैं HbA से, but HbS जो होगा that will be the carrier individual, and in homozygous condition HbS will be the diseased individual, will the sickle cell anemic individual, and HbS will act as carriers. Now what are the symptoms of this disease? There will be rapid heart rate, there will be breathlessness, delayed growth and puberty, jaundice, weakness, fever, excessive thirst, chest pain, decreased fertility. The next is Down syndrome. It is an autosomal disorder. It is caused due to trisomy of chromosome number 21. And the symptoms of Down syndrome are short stature, height छोटी रहेगी, round head, open mouth, protruding tongue, short neck, slanting eyes and broad palm with very demarked, very highly, आपको उसकी palm crease जो है ना वो बहुत ही बेटे deep seated होगी, and the individual will show mental retardation also and retardation in the physical growth. That's all for today. Thank you.